Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some coconut callaloo saltfish fried rice. Yes. I never made this recipe before, but I know it's gonna taste absolutely delicious. So here I have 2 cups of basmati rice that I wash. You can use whatever rice you have, okay? And I also have 1 can of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and some fresh thyme. So I just add my coconut milk to my pot. So now I'm gonna add 1 cup of water. Then I'm gonna add my salt and my black pepper, my fresh thyme, and my scotch bonnet pepper. Gonna give it a stir. Make sure your stove is on a medium heat, okay? Then what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna allow it to come to a boil, then I add my rice, okay? So now that it has come to a boil, I'm gonna add my rice, okay? The coconut smell amazing. The coconut milk, so good. So guys, make sure your pot is not full of a lot of liquid, okay? Because you don't want your rice to be, to be watery. You want when it's finished, it's nice and shelly. So make sure you don't add a lot of liquid. Even if you do add a lot of liquid, you can always remove it, okay? Because you don't need liquid to be too much above the rice. Yes. So just add a small amount. So that's perfect. So I'm just gonna allow it to cook, okay? So stay tuned. So guys, my rice is nicely cooked, and as you can see, it is nice and shelly, and this is exactly how you want it. Perfect. I'm just gonna leave it to the side. That's done. Nice and shelly, as I said. Yum. So this is my callaloo right here, and I'm using 1 can of callaloo. Guys, if you want, you can always use the fresh callaloo, okay? Me living abroad, sometimes it's hard to get the fresh one, so I normally would use this one, and it's pretty good, So this is my saltfish right here, and this is the amount that I'm gonna use with some mixed vegetable. Yeah. So my mixed vegetable just have just a bit of broccoli, some cauliflower, some green beans, and carrot. Yes, this is what I have in my kitchen, so this is what I'm gonna use, but you can always use whichever one you have at home. Yeah. So these are all of my herbs. Here I have just a small amount of fresh thyme, off of onion that I finely chopped, some scotch bonnet pepper, not a lot because I don't want it to be too spicy, some scallion, just a small amount, and 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Okay, yes. So this is the pot I'm gonna add my saltfish to, and guys, I'm gonna change the water at least 4 to 3 times, okay? Because you want all this salt to come out of your saltfish. Yeah, or just, you know, majority of it. You don't want it, when you eat it, it's salt. So now I'm just gonna add my saltfish, and my stove is on a medium heat, okay? Make sure you cover your pot, yeah? So stay tuned. So my saltfish is all finished, guys. And this is the 4th time I changed the water, okay? So that's what it look like. Finish. So as soon as I remove my saltfish from the pot, what I did, I just run it over some cool water so it cool. So now I'm just gonna pull it apart, okay, like so. It all depends how big you want it to be. I don't want it to be too small. Around like this. Yeah, that's perfect. This is a bit hot. Well, you know, I'm used to it. I'm behaving like my late grandma that's passed away. She never used to use no cloth. She used her bare hands to do everything. Even when it hot, you know, she still use her bare hand. Lift up the pot and all these things. Yes, Miss Walker, rest in peace. You taught me so much. So that's perfect. So here I have my pot on my stove, guys. And my stove is on a medium heat, okay? So now I'm just gonna add some of my onions. I'm not gonna add all of it. With my garlic, some of my scotch bonnet pepper, and green onions. But I won't add all of it, okay? I'm gonna leave back some. And I'm just gonna allow it to saute for at least a couple of seconds. So after just a couple of seconds, I'm just gonna add my fresh thyme. So I just add my saltfish, guys. I'm gonna leave back some of my saltfish. I won't add all of it at once, but I will add most of it. Yeah. Then I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of fish seasoning. Give it a stir. And now I'm gonna add my callaloo. You're just gonna take your time and flip it over. I'm telling you, it smells super good. In this bowl here, I've got some all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper, and some seasoned salt. So I'm just gonna add some of it to my callaloo and saltfish, and I'm just gonna leave back some. You don't really have to add no salt because you know this seasoning already full of so much salt. but you can always taste to your liking. And I'm just gonna leave it, guys, for at least 4 minutes, okay? Because you don't want it to overcook too much. So this is what it looks like. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna leave it to the side, okay? And as I said, just leave it for at least 4 to 3 minutes, because you don't want your callaloo to overcook, because it's already pre-cooked from the can. Yes. So that's done. Yummy. So on the stove, I have another pot, and I added some olive oil, at least 3 spoons. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add all my herbs, my remaining herbs that leave. Make sure your stove is on a low heat. You're just gonna leave it, guys, just for a couple of seconds, okay? Not for long. So after a couple of seconds, I'm gonna add my mixed vegetable. And I'm gonna add some of my remaining seasoning. Give it a stir. And I'm just gonna leave this, guys, for at least 1 minute, okay? Yes. So just after 1 minute, as I said, now I'm gonna add my rice. Yes. My coconut rice. Then I'm just gonna mix it all in. So everything will all combine. Honestly, it looks amazing. Just wait till I add the callaloo and saltfish. And you're just gonna leave it, guys, on a high heat and just keep stirring it, okay? So it doesn't stick. I'm gonna add my remaining saltfish. As I said, I leave back. I just leave back a tiny bit, not a lot. And all my remaining seasoning, okay? So I'm just gonna add some sesame oil to it, guys, at least 1 to 2 spoons. Then I'm gonna add some dark soya sauce, okay, just to give it some color. You can add just the amount that you want. It all depends how dark you want it to be. Just gonna stir it all in. I'm gonna add some more dark soya sauce because I want it to be not too dark, but just a bit. Yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, guys, honestly, it looks amazing. Trust me, it looks so good. This recipe is a must try. Make sure, guys, you share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I would really appreciate it. Please guys, I work so hard just to get these videos out for you guys. So please support my channel. And if you have supported my channel, I thank you all so much. So this is nicely blended. So now I'm gonna add my callaloo and saltfish. So stay tuned. So this is the part that we've been waiting for. Now I'm gonna add my callaloo and saltfish. Yes, real fried rice. This is the real deal. And you're just gonna blend it all in. Remove the fresh thyme. Oh my goodness, this look amazing. Oh my goodness, guys, trust me, it look good. I cannot wait to dig in. See that? Yummy. Guys, I'm telling you, it looking absolutely delicious. This coconut callaloo sawfish fried rice, your family, your friend, everyone is gonna enjoy this recipe. Trust me guys, it is super flavorful. It's a must try. If you do try this recipe, please comment below and give me back your feedback, okay? And don't forget guys to share this video to your families, to your friends, to everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can receive more delicious videos like these. And hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. And thumbs me up guys. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Thumbs me up, okay? Thank you all. So now I'm just gonna plate it all up. Then I'm gonna taste it for you guys and tell you what it's like, okay? So stay tuned. So I'm just adding some fresh parsley on top just to make it look nice and presentable. Then I'm just gonna add some scotch bonnet pepper on the side to make it look pretty. Then guys, I'm gonna taste it and tell you what it's like, okay? So stay tuned. And I'm telling you, isn't that look so good? Honestly, I will order this at a restaurant. Trust me, it looks super good. So this is the fun part. Now I'm gonna taste my coconut callaloo saltfish fried rice. And guys, trust me, the flavor is everything. I'm telling you, honestly guys, this recipe is super flavorful. I give this recipe 10 out of 10. My husband love it. Everyone love it. Guys, trust me, it is so good. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye, stay blessed.